What you're about to witness is not a repair, it's a resurrection. This machine was left for dead, a ghost of what it once was. But beneath the ruin lies a hidden potential waiting to be unleashed. The transformation will be so absolute, you'll question what you first saw. Stay with us as we defy the impossible and bring a legend back from its own ashes. The deconstruction begins, a careful autopsy of the damage. Every component is methodically removed, revealing the true extent of the decay. A symphony of coordinated effort as the machine is unmade. Soon, only the skeleton will remain. The frame is stripped bare, a blank canvas for a new beginning. The process of rebirth starts with the smallest, most crucial parts. Each piece is handled with immense precision and focus. This is a testament to meticulous craftsmanship. A dance of hands and tools, working in perfect harmony. The intricate details demand unwavering attention. Patience is the key to this extraordinary transformation. One by one, the components are prepared for their new life. The promise of what's to come lies in this detailed preparation. And now, the final result of this painstaking process is unveiled. A machine reborn, pristine and perfect. We now turn to the heart of the beast, caked in years of neglect. A special elixir is prepared, the first step in its purification. The potent formula is applied, beginning to dissolve the grime. A deep cleansing penetrates every crevice. The engine is submerged, surrendering to the transformative foam. Slowly, its metallic true form begins to emerge. The last remnants of its past are blown away. Now, it will be sealed in a new armor of shadow black. The reassembly begins, a puzzle of perfected parts. Each piece fits flawlessly into place. The iconic emblem is the final touch, a mark of its renewed spirit. Next, the foundation, wheels, seized by rust and time. The careful disassembly reveals the corrosion hidden within. Every single part must be broken down and restored. The cleansing ritual continues on each component. Scrubbing away the years of hard-worn miles. No detail is too small in this pursuit of perfection. Each element is individually purified. Even the tire's surface is restored to its original state. The process is methodical, almost meditative. An old tire, a symbol of the past that must be shed. The most stubborn grime is scraped away by hand. This is a battle against decay, fought inch by inch. Beneath the filth, the wheel's true form is waiting. The sheer amount of removed debris is astonishing. The wheel is now cleaner, but the restoration is far from over. Final impurities are removed with delicate precision. At last, the surface is prepared for its new skin. A coat of brilliant silver is applied, the foundation of its new identity. The paint flows like liquid metal, creating a flawless surface. The silver base glows, a stark contrast to its former state. It is buffed and polished to a mirror-like sheen. The wheel now looks pristine, almost unrecognizable. A perfect canvas, ready for the final, dramatic touch. Now, a layer of deep, glossy black is added. The black paint transforms it completely, giving it a powerful new look. A stunning, modern aesthetic emerges from the darkness. The finish is absolutely perfect, without a single flaw. It shines with an intensity that defies its origins. Paired with a new tire, the transformation is complete. It stands ready, a symbol of power and rebirth. Now, for the brake disc, a component crippled by rust. A chemical treatment begins to attack the oxidation. But chemistry alone is not enough. Raw power is needed. The rust is ground away, unveiling the raw metal beneath. The workspace is cleared, preparing for the next delicate phase. The grinding continues, a shower of sparks signaling a new surface. The disc is now clean, its stopping power restored. Even the smallest screws, once corroded, are addressed. A new bearing is precisely fitted, ensuring a smooth ride. The hub is now mechanically perfect. A protective compound is applied to prevent future corrosion. The fuel tank, the bike's soul, is scarred and battered. It undergoes its own cleansing process. A thick layer of foam lifts away the deep-seated dirt. The grime washes away under a powerful spray. Clean, but its surface imperfections are now even more visible. The remaining rust is meticulously removed by hand. The surface is now prepped and ready for its new paint. The original color is restored with expert precision. The fuel tank is reborn, vibrant and flawless. On another piece, the old finish must be completely stripped away. Layer by layer, the past is methodically scraped off. Finally, the bare metal is exposed, a clean slate. A primer coat is applied, the foundation for a perfect finish. The smooth, white surface is a symbol of its new beginning. It's then coated in a deep, menacing shade of dark gray. The drive chain, choked with grease and dirt, is next. A chemical bath is applied to each and every link. A foaming agent works its way deep into the mechanism. Then, an extreme method, purification by fire. The fire burns away all remaining impurities. The plastic body panels also require a deep, restorative cleaning. The difference after a simple cleaning is already remarkable. Each piece of the bike's exterior is treated with care. Slowly but surely, their original luster returns. More aggressive treatments are used for stubborn stains. The results are consistently astonishing. Some damage requires more than just cleaning. A complete surface restoration is necessary. This is where true artistry begins. The bodywork's deep cracks must be healed. A special filler is carefully applied, mending the fractures. The surface is sculpted and smoothed with the craftsman's touch. The repaired area is now strong, but must be perfected. It is sanded down, blending the repair seamlessly with the original form. The panel becomes a single, flawless surface. The meticulous sanding process continues until it is perfectly smooth. This level of detail is what separates restoration from simple repair. The piece is now fully prepped and ready for its new identity. It is secured, ready to be painted in a controlled environment. The first coat of paint is applied, a deep and glossy black. The new finish is immaculate. But this is just the first part of a more complex design. Next, a brilliant white is introduced, creating a stark contrast. The two tones blend to form a unique and modern aesthetic. The final design is striking and bold. This two-tone effect is a signature of its new character. The quality of the finish is breathtaking. From every angle, it speaks of precision and style. A piece of art born from a piece of wreckage. The painting process continues for every part of the bike's body. Each one is given the same level of attention and skill. The result is a consistent, show-quality finish. The white components are painted with a clean, crisp brilliance. The front fender, once dull gray, is prepared and is reborn in the same deep, glossy black. Complex pieces are coated with painstaking care. The uniform, perfect finish is a testament to the artist's control. Even mechanical parts are given a cosmetic overhaul. The front forks are stripped down and thoroughly cleaned. Years of road grime and oil are washed away. And they too are given a fresh coat of durable black paint. A host of smaller parts all undergo their own cleaning ritual. Nothing is left untouched. Everything will be made new. The smallest brackets and mounts are refinished. Each one perfect in its own right. The attention to detail is simply extraordinary. This is the secret to a truly comprehensive restoration. The flow of paint is steady, the coverage flawless. Every piece is now a work of art. The final parts of the engine receive their finish. A fine mist of paint ensures a perfect, even coat. The components look better than new. The engine casing now has a deep, satin finish. The exhaust system is restored with a heat-resistant coating. Every last piece is perfected. Now, the focus shifts to the delicate mechanics of the steering. Fresh grease is applied to the bearings, ensuring fluid motion. The headset is carefully reassembled. The reborn frame sits alone, waiting to be made whole. The master builders arrive to begin the final assembly. The sacred ritual of reconstruction is about to begin. The frame is joined with the swing arm, the first step to becoming a motorcycle again. The freshly restored wheels are mounted. Slowly, it starts to take the shape of a machine. Now, the heart of the beast is carefully lowered into place. The engine, once silent and dead, is now ready to roar again. The team works in unison, a blur of focused activity. The exhaust system is expertly fitted. The bike is taken on its final, powerful form. Two artisans working with a shared vision of perfection. Every connection is checked, every bolt is tightened with precision. The synergy between them is palpable. The body panels, once broken, are now fitted to the frame. The new skin of the machine is carefully attached. The process is nearing its dramatic conclusion. Final adjustments are made to the engine. The moment of completion is near. The headlight assembly, the face of the machine, is installed. The final piece of the puzzle is put into place. He steps back to admire the finished creation. It is no longer a wreck. It is a masterpiece. From every angle, it is perfect. The aggressive lines of the front end are restored. The body's curves are sleek and flawless. The tail section is sharp and clean. The legend is not just reborn, it has been completely redefined. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel, Michael Restoration, for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.